Welcome, and let's start with our first preparation, that is vegetable broth. Vegetable broth is one of the most important and basic preparation used in the Italian kitchen. Here you can find whatever we need to prepare it. So red tomatoes, carrots, onions, celery, potatoes, zucchini, peppering grains, bay leaves, salt and water, of course. Celery, carrots and onion are the fundamental starting ingredients for the vegetable broth. But you can, in this version, find also other vegetables like zucchini or tomatoes or tomato paste that, from my point of view, give something more to the vegetable broth. So let's start cutting the zucchini and also the tomatoes in a very simple way. Obviously, before that you have to wash the vegetables and remove from the steam and leave warm. The vegetable broth is one of the most important preparation. It is normally used for soup and risotto, or in general to cook long cooked recipes, flavoring them in a gentle way. When we have finished to cut all the vegetables, transfer everything in a large saucepan together with the bay leaves and the peppercorns and also the tomato paste. Cover with the 3 liters of cold water and put on the fire. Bring to the boil and cook for 1 hour and a half covered. After 1 hour and a half, more or less, this is the result. Remove the vegetable and filter everything and add salt as you prefer. Here the result. Follow me for more recipes and subscribe the channel now. Thank you for your time.